I saw this new ad with a loud claim, the pink salt trick is a scam. Then this woman says she tried every version of it and nothing worked. And then, plot twist, she says she found out why the original recipe was wrong because it's supposed to include gelatin. And she claims Dr. Jennifer Ashton talked about that in a podcast, one that, of course, got taken down. Yeah, sure. Then she tells you to click the link because there's a video that reveals the secret. But why are pink salt, Dr. Jennifer Ashton, and gelatin all mashed into one story? Because it's a slick marketing setup meant to steer you toward LipoLess. One capsule a day, and you'll supposedly lose weight fast and get slimmer with no effort. Uh-huh. Totally. So let's click. The ad opens a page that's designed to look like a health blog. Big health banner, dramatic headlines, and of course the author is listed as Dr. Jennifer Ashton, a real well-known doctor and journalist, so they're clearly trying to borrow credibility. They also drop logos from major outlets and it shows this huge number of comments, like 36,000. But the comments are fake. You can't click profiles, you can't like anything, you can't reply. It's just static, generated text made to look like real engagement. And then there's the main thing on the page, the video. It's really long. And see that progress bar? That's part of the trick. It moves at different speeds to mess with your sense of how close you are to the reveal. The video is about half an hour, and the so-called gelatin secret never actually gets revealed. And there's another problem. Dr. Jennifer Ashton has nothing to do with this video. We already talked about this in a previous video on our channel a few days ago, and we show proof there. If you want the evidence, go watch that one too. Now, when the video finally ends, a hidden section of the page opens up, and that's where they start selling you Lipo Less. So the whole thing, the girl talking about pink salt, the gelatin fix, the doctor's name, it's just a disguised ad for this supplement. And I want you to notice something else here. See those badges? They're just pictures. There are no real certificates behind them, and the FDA badge thing is especially ridiculous. The FDA doesn't hand out approved badges for random supplements like this. Those graphics are there to create the feeling that it's legit. That's it. Same thing with the scientific references. They don't directly prove Lipo Less works. And if you scroll further down, the page basically admits it in the fine print. The statements haven't been evaluated. It's not meant to treat anything, and so on. So the big promises are up top, and the reality check is buried at the bottom. Now, what happens if you actually try to buy it? You get sent to another page on mycartpanda.com. That's the payment processor they're using for the LipoLess supplement, and yep, more of those same badges up top. Again, just images. They don't prove anything. On this page, you'll also see a 5-star rating, and then on the checkout page, it gets even better, a 9.4 excellent rating and 32,000 reviews. But where are those reviews? You can't find them anywhere because they're not actually shown anywhere. What you can find, though, are complaints. We found complaints on the BBB, the Better Business Bureau. One person says they saw a promo video using Dr. Jennifer Ashton's name and other celebrities, and that it was AI generated. The person also says they bought the Lipo Less capsules and now they're having trouble getting a refund. Maybe Trustpilot has something. Nope, no confirmation there either. No reviews. And what about the domain where this promo video is hosted, bodymindbloom.us? If you check the Who is info, that domain was registered just a few months ago in Hong Kong, and it looks like it may even be using questionable or fake registration details. So what did we learn about Lipo Less and Lipo Less reviews? They updated the story. Now it's pink salt is a scam, unless you add gelatin, and then the solution is still Lipo Less. The checkout page still flexes those huge review numbers you can't verify anywhere, and instead of real reviews, what you can actually find are complaints. So yeah, if you're looking up LipoLess, don't trust the hype on their own pages.